Meltem, looking at some of the analysis, crypto fell sharply late last week. No real fundamentals to explain the drop. That's nothing new. It's kind of a de-risk trade when we see the equity markets fall. It's highly correlated. Where are we in terms of let's start with Bitcoin. We saw 17,000 for a while, rebounded back to above 25,000, hadn't been there in a while. Now 21 and change. You think it's looking for a bottom here to make another advance, or maybe head back down below 20,000?
I think with Bitcoin, we've seen a lot of buying on dips. There is sideline capital that's looking to accumulate Bitcoin. As you know, we love talking about dollar cost averaging when it comes to Bitcoin. The big question, though, is flows have been fairly flat throughout the month of August. People are taking this thing called vacation. I think although crypto trades 24/7, 365, especially Bitcoin has a lot of weekend liquidity, we still do see challenges from Friday evening through Monday morning, just because markets are not as active. So it'll be interesting to see what happens today on the Monday open. My outlook is flat through the remainder of Q3. No immediate upside catalyst for Bitcoin. Very tied to macro at the moment, as we've seen with the high correlation to tech equities.
Ether was down in the 8 and change, I'm talking hundreds, and it had 100% return, and there's a lot of, I don't know what you call, whether it's excitement or speculation about, what's it called, the surge? No, wait a minute. No, it's the purge. No, wait a minute. It's not the purge or the surge, it's the merge. And
the merge.
What can you explain how the blockchain would be different, and is it really more energy efficient? Don't get too far in the weeds, but what are people excited about? And obviously they were excited, but now it's back to 1,500, so they weren't that excited.
Yeah, so the merge is a technical upgrade to the Ethereum network. It's actually a process that Ethereum has been going through for about the last 3 years. Bitcoin and other protocols also go through upgrades. As we use them, we realize we need to make some slight changes. But this upgrade to Ethereum is going to fundamentally change the supply and demand dynamics of Ethereum. While there's a lot of enthusiasm, or I would call it ebullience, which is a fun word, around the merge, I think one of the fundamental issues is people looking at the merge as an upside catalyst for Ethereum are looking at the merge as an event in isolation. And as you know, when you're trading or assembling a portfolio or managing a portfolio, you don't just look at a single asset. You have to view it in the context of a broader universe of assets, of rates, of the level of risk in your portfolio. So I think while internally there's a lot of enthusiasm within the crypto community and within the Ethereum community around the merge as an event that will dramatically reduce supply while potentially driving demand, one of the realities is on the macro side, people are worried about rates. People are worried about macro. There's a lot going on. So I don't think there's a lot of new capital coming in to buy Ethereum on these changed fundamentals or technicals. There's also some risk that I think will need to play out in the market. So in my view, the merge has been a buy the rumors, sell the news situation. And the way people are playing it primarily on the institutional side or through the trading side is through options rather than direct exposure.